how much do you make per hour? Let's say that the average is $10. So let's see how long it takes me to make the same amount but trading. This was actually my last trade that I got by 156 points. So this strategy most definitely works. So we're starting with $242.30. We're going to keep this at $10. And I'm going to see how long it takes me to find my trade and to take it. And I'm actually liking this right here. Okay, so we have 15 seconds left. Okay, so that literally took me 20 seconds to find the trade and less than a minute to actually take it. And I made more trading at $10 than I would working a job at $10 an hour, because I'm not paying for, well, now it just changed to 60%. So, but there's no taking out for gas and bridge tolls and all that kind of stuff. So, this video actually turned out to be shorter than I thought it would. If you want to learn this strategy, it is super, super simple. I already put together a course for you, where you learn this strategy as well as my other one. And this is the VIP Trade Like Me for a one-time payment of $149. Or you can get into the free trading community and get access to over 6 different sets of cheat sheets that literally teach you step by step all the concepts that you would actually need to know, and it's 100% zero cost. Or you can get into the Market Annihilator that teaches you a couple of my other courses as well as gives you access to me. So you have a lot to work with on here, but you can always start for free.